Hey everyone, we will show you how to add PayPal as a payment method on Namecheap. Linking PayPal makes it easy and fast to pay for domains, hosting, and other services. Adding PayPal helps us check out quickly, so we do not have to enter card details each time we buy something. It also gives us more convenience and security when we manage payments. First, let's open our browser. Once we are in the browser, we go to Namecheap.com. After that, we log into our account. Once logged in, let's go to our account. Go to Account in the upper right corner. Next, let's go to Dashboard. Let's say we want to buy a domain. We can choose any domain to buy. For example, let's select this domain and add it to our cart. Once it is in the cart, we proceed to check out. Here, we see the price and review the order. If everything looks good, we confirm the order and wait for the page to load. Now, we choose the payment method. We can use a secure card payment, account funds, or PayPal. Since we are focusing on PayPal, we select PayPal. Once we've chosen PayPal, we click Continue. Next, we review the order details. Here, we can edit the cart if needed. We enter our PayPal information and apply it here. When done, we click to check out with PayPal. Then we log into our PayPal. After logging into PayPal, we confirm the payment. Once the payment is confirmed, the process is complete. And that's it. Adding PayPal to our Namecheap account is a quick and easy way to make transactions smoother and more secure.